A&T Squad.
What's up, A&T Squad?
Hey, love, when it's nights like this, I really wanna be right here. I really wanna take you there. When it's nights like this, I really wanna be right here. I really wanna take you there. It was nights like this, feeling right like this. I never really spent no time like this, Your second time at the crib, no.
What's up, A&T Squad? We about to cook some chicken tacos.
Welcome back to our channel. We making chicken tacos tonight, so we already know it's lit. Me and Taryn cook every night, so we just thought, why don't we just start recording it? Because, you know, we're trying to save money on eating out and things like that. But you know, it's already lit. Welcome back to our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, do all that, because you know the next time that we upload, y'all gonna watch the video, so you might as well. It is 10:58. We are cooking pretty late, don't ask why, but let's get started. What you gonna do, babe? Always wash your hands. We gotta rinse that chicken off too, so start with that. Rinsing the chicken off. Got it, doctor down. So while he's rinsing the chicken, I'm going to set up. What am I going to set up? Oh, we ain't got no cutting board. Nope, we don't. We do not have a cutting board because the other one was like acting weird. It was like catching on to like the rag, so I threw it away. Huh? No, you get a plate. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the pot ready. Huh?
So you split it.
I'll cut it. You're the one that took the initiative. Get the pot ready then. Huh? We don't got to, because it's gonna be grilled. Don't they be grilled? You just add a little butter. But you know how to do it right now, I guess. I'm not gonna cut the. Alright, y'all, so pick the thing up and show them the meat. So we got boneless chicken. What is this called? Tenderloin? I don't know, something.
Chicken tenders.
These are not chicken tenders.
Chicken breast.
There we go, chicken breast. So what we're gonna do is cut them up in like pieces. You know how they be?
Yeah.
I am. I don't even want to use that piece because look at this. I don't know what that is.
That's fat.
I don't want no fat. Don't it? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this into strips. It's not really strips. This looks more like nuggets. So this is going to be like trial and error because we ain't never made chicken tacos before. The whole process.
Alright, we got that done. Lord did that, cut that chicken.
Cut that
she
chicken.
threw half of the chicken away.
No, I did not. It's in the garbage can. You could go and look at it right now.
It had fat on it. She talking about the chicken had fat on it.
Exactly.
So she threw half of the chicken away.
I did not throw half of the chicken away. It was just too fatty. You didn't really need more chicken in this? You know you gotta come through with the Sazon. This will change your life. You need this. Sazon A1. Shout out to Sazon Company because y'all did your thing.
Sazon. They put that.
They did,
You put that in that one that you cook it, right?
What?
You put that in there now?
This?
That's a taco seasoning.
I mean, is it gonna make a difference?
I guess so.
Always trying to check me, but why I have to get playing with me? I'ma put you in your.
Stew.
You stupid. Don't call me stupid.
I didn't even say stupid, but
Shut up, stupid. No, I'm calling you stupid.
Nigga, you stupid.
Let me start acting out. Your mama be watching our videos.
Exactly. Your mama watch them?
My mama know how I am.
You never knew that,
Y'all, we ain't never made this before, so we just gonna pray that this come out right. Ain't that right?
Ain't that right? Why you took it off?
Oh, because I didn't want it to... It got hot fast, and I wasn't ready.
She gonna put that on there.
Put that on there. Put that chicken on the grill. 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 Put that chicken on the grill.
Put that chicken on the grill. Then I cook it. And I whip it up. Then I eat it up.
Go, babe. Spit them bars.
Chicken head. Doodle head chicken head. Yeah. Chicken noodle soup. Hot chicken noodles. Hot chicken noodle. Got your little ass in the back. Chicken noodle. Oh, chicken noodle. Chicken noodle. Got your little ass in the back. Hey.
You get on my nerves.
Gang.
This is you a giant.
Come on, just put this in here.
Let me get it. I'm finna get some tongs. I'm not trying to touch it with my hands again.
Throw it in there.
Taryn, don't tell me how to do it.
Let me do it.
This happens every time we cook.
Let me see.
No. I'm looking for some tongs.
Just throw that shit in there.
Watch your mouth, Taryn.
That shit gonna take forever to grab that shit.
No, it's not.
Alright, go ahead.
I'm finna grab you. You wanna put some on there?
No, you do it.
That make you feel better.
No.
So what we did was, Taryn coated the pan
Yeah, I put some
with
grease
oil.
in the pan.
Yeah.
Just a little.
Just enough to coat the pan, cause you don't want to fry. You want to grill. You don't want to fry. You want to grill. You
Shut
wanna
up.
fry.
Beanhead.
Shut up.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't, but I sound like it. So stop being a hater. How about that? How about it? How about it? How about it? I'm phoning them. Keep playing with me. I'm phoning them.
I'm phoning them. Alright, y'all. We're gonna be back though when this shit's down.
Yay! It's the A&T TV. We are back. Taryn went upstairs to take a shower while I finished the rest of dinner. Featuring Dante. So, this is what the chicken looks like now. I just tasted it. It does not taste like taco at all. I probably should have added some more taco seasoning, but it's okay. It still tastes good. We got the tortillas that Taryn had put in the oven. And now we have all of our condiments that we need. So we got triple cheese, sharp cheddar, sour cream. We had lettuce, but it went old. So you already know. This is the final outcome. I'm messy, my bad, y'all. And Dante said it was good. I ain't tasted them yet. Alright, y'all. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, all that. And I'm not playing. Stop watching our videos and not subscribing. Like, what's the point of that if you know you're going to come back and watch more of our videos? You're going to look stupid like him. Got your Okay, we out.
You said what I look like my bitch, yeah. Looking in your eyes.